Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix minor damages to drywall. So on my drywall, my wooden chair failed and that made, you can see, this rectangular shape damage. So in order to fix it, I have purchased a $14 drywall repair kit. As you can see, what I have got: sandpaper, I have got putty knife and other items like patch paper. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So this is how it looks like. You may think that this is ice cream, but actually this is not, so don't mistake it. And it's always advisable to keep these away from children and other people, though for whom it would be dangerous. And then you need to take this putty knife and you need to apply on back of the patch paper, and that we are going to put on the damage area, and we'll proceed from there. Now I have applied this on the damage. Now I have to wait for it to get dried. It's going to take some time, and then you can paint it the way you want, and that's it. That's how simple it is to fix. Thanks for watching, guys.